everybody? Hope that you guys are having an awesome day. So today's like very hot where I am, so I have like the fan on. Hopefully it's not bothering you guys, but today's video I'm gonna do a review and unboxing of the I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's LIABOE. Wait, am I saying it right? And it's a hair straightener and curler, so it's like 2 in 1, so which is really cool. This company sent me an email about, you know, reviewing it and stuff like that, so I said, you know, why not? So I want to give this a shot for you guys, and I'm gonna use this as my hair today, so it's pretty exciting. So I'm gonna unbox this, and if you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and of course don't forget to ring the bell next to the subscribe button so you guys can get notified when I upload a video, because I upload pretty much all the time. I've been trying my best this time. I know I was slacking before, you know, but sometimes we need a break once in a while. In the box, what you will receive is a manual book, and it shows you like what to do with it and everything. Very explanatory. Just, you know, gadget in the box. So I'm assuming this is for the curler. And then so when you put this, it locks the straightener. So this is the straightener right here. And then when you go up, no, you push down, and it'll just go wide up, and then you just straighten your hair like that. And that's pretty much it. So it's pretty cool. I'm gonna try this on tonight and see how it works. And yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys the unboxing. And it comes with 1 glove, so you don't burn yourself. That's pretty cool. So if you guys are interested in this device, I'll put it in the description below. And it's from Amazon, and this product has like 5-star reviews, so that's a good plus for you guys. And I'm also gonna review it in front of you guys as well, so you know, you guys see my own perspective about this. And I'm gonna show you guys, like, you know, how I use it. For today, I'm gonna do the curling one for today, and then the next time I'll do the straightening one. So yeah, I wanted to show you with you guys about that. So like over here, you turn it on and it shows like the temperatures in here, and then, you know, the plug and stuff, the usual. So yeah, I also want to share with you guys what I received from Colorupop, because I did a little shopping at Colorupop. It's not too big or anything. I want to do like a separate video on this because it's not too much of a purchase, but I got this from my boyfriend, so he purchased it for me. And it's really nice of him because I've been like in the budget sometimes right now. So I'm very thankful that he supports what I do. So what I received from Colorupop is the Fortune. Am I saying it right? Future. Something. Yeah, that's what I got. Open it. It looks like this. I assume it was like a little bigger of a pan, but it's very decent. I'm gonna show you guys some swatches here. Looks like that. That's the first one. Second one. Third one. This one is the 4th one. I don't know why I didn't do my pinky. That one. It's really good. I like the pigmentation. I do swatches on my hands. I don't focus on that. I just focus on how it looks on my eyes. So that's pretty good. And then the next 3 things I got from there is the Colorupop Super Shock Shadow. This one is the color Birthday Wish. And I'm gonna just open what it looks. I like the packaging. I don't know why, but I've been loving the color purple recently, so I've been loving this packaging. That's why like I bought it online. So I'm gonna do some swatching for you guys. Ooh, it's very creamy. Very cool. It's in the top. Very nice. And then the next thing I got is the Colorupop Super Shock Shadow. This one is the XO. Very cute, very red. That's the swatches. You guys see how pigmented it is? So the last one that I got from Colorupop is Coconut. This is like the blue one that I've been dying to have. And the best thing about Colorupop, they're already pigmented and they're cruelty free. So this is what the packaging looks like. And when you open it, but yeah, it looks really cute. I don't want to swatch it right now because it looks so pretty.
I just bought a new car, that's $1,000. Ay, I just put up on her in a coupe. Yeah, how this go? Say it, you